So here's another trig question that involves trig identities. So basically sine pi over 12 plus cos pi over 12, that's supposed to be 12 there, all squared. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna write this twice and FOIL it. So this is sine pi over 12 plus cosine pi over 12 times sine pi over 12 plus cosine pi over 12. We're going to FOIL. So this first into first, first into second. So we're going to get sine squared pi over 12. And then plus sine pi over 12. Cos pi over 12. Plus this into here and then into there. So that's going to give me cosine pi over 12, sine pi over 12, plus cos pi over 12 times cos pi over 12. That's going to give me cosine squared pi over 12. Now looking at this, I have this and this. Sine squared pi over 12 plus cos squared pi over 12. Remember the identity. Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. And therefore, sine squared pi over 12 plus cos squared pi over 12, that will give me 1. Plus, these two here are like terms, this one and this one. So that's going to give me 2 sine pi over 12 cos pi over 12. Now again, we need to remember the double angle identity, which is sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cos theta. And this is exactly what that is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simplify this into 1 plus this here. I'm going to write it as sine double the pi over 12, which is 1 plus sine 2 times pi over 12, just pi over 6. So that's sine pi over 6. And then from the special angle triangle, the 30 or pi over 6 in radians, pi over 3, 60. It's 1 root 3, 12. So sine pi over 6 is 1/2. And therefore, this becomes 1 plus 1/2, which gives me 3/2. And that's the answer for this question. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.